video I am going to give introduction of my channel. My channel's name is Circuit Maker, and in this channel I am using Tinkercad, a software for making circuits, and even there is 3D. We can do 3D objects, circuits, code blocks also. Even there will be 4 options: 3D design, circuit, code block and lesson. For that we should go circuit, and in that circuit we can click. You can see this page. In this page you can click create new circuit, and you can easily learn to make circuits and code. In this app we can do only block coding, or even you can change that block coding to text, or you can do only text coding. Now first let us, for example, we will take a LED and 9-volt battery. LED always need only 3 volts, but I am using 9-volt battery. You can see this much of buttons. This is the starting simulation button. This is the code button. If you use Arduino you can code here. And this is the thickness of changing the thickness of wire, and this is the color of wire, and this is undo, and this is redo. And now this is, with this help of this button we can rotate. If I click the battery we can rotate, and if we use this button we can delete. Now I am taking a new battery, and if you see, if we connect, the big pin is the positive pin, and now we will change the color of it to red, and the small pin is negative. We will connect to battery and change the color. Now you can see when I start the simulation, you can see the LED is cracking, bursting, because it need only 3 volts. Now I will stop the simulation and take a resistor. Using this resistor it will decrease and give how much volt the LED needs, and I am connecting one terminal of resistor to LED's positive and another to battery's positive. We should not connect it in negative. Now I will change the color of the wire. Now you can see, now when I start the simulation, you can see that the LED is glowing. Instead of that you can even use 3-volt battery. I will take another LED and a 3-volt battery, and now I will connect it positive and cater to negative. Now I will change the color. Now I have finished the connection of, when I start simulation you can see this LED will glow without resistor, because LED needs only 3 volt. Now we will delete this both, and now we will use a switch. For that I am taking this resistor, deleting this wire and this wire. Now we will change the direction of our battery, and now I will keep the LED here, You can even change the shape of wire. And now I am giving it in negative. And now we will connect the resistor to one of the end and connecting another pin to push buttons one side and taking another pin to battery. And now we have finished our circuit. Now when I start the simulation, the LED will not glow. When I press this button, you can see the LED is glowing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.